Hey everyone, I went out to a job site with Creative Stoneworks who installs granite countertops and sinks. And we just made a new product for them called the Sink Sling, which allows you to ratchet and support a sink underneath a granite countertop or any countertop for that matter. You simply attach the strap to the side walls of the cabinet, put the sink in place, and then ratchet it up into place after the adhesive's been applied. It has a sling that moves back and forth. It's totally adjustable. The brackets mount on the side wall with screws into the side wall of the cabinets. It's really fast, super easy to install, very inexpensive, and it's a great insurance policy to make sure the sink stays in place. Installing it's a breeze. You just put the two straps on one side, put the sling in, and then go ahead and put the two ratchet straps on the other side. Now we're going to show you an entire install and put a sink in so you can see how fast and easy this whole thing is. So on a 3/8 side wall, you can't put a screw in the side because that's a finished end panel. So they screwed them front to back. You're going to screw it from here to there. So this install is slightly different. We're going front to back this time so the screws don't go through the finished end panel, and we'll attach it to the face frame on the front of the cabinets. Put it together just like we did on the other ones. Put the cradle in, ratchet it up, drop the sink into place, get it fit pretty close, and then we're going to put the granite countertop on top, and then we're going to ratchet it up into place even closer, get it nicely fit and positioned. Pop the granite countertop off, grab your adhesive, run a bead around the outside edge and the inside edge latex caulking, which is easy to clean up with the squeeze out. Then go ahead and lay the granite countertop on top, ratchet it up tight, put a final bead of caulking around the inside, and you're done. The Sink Sling. This thing is absolutely amazing. Hey Marv, what do you think of the new Sink Sling?
They are wonderful. They work excellent. They hold the sink up. If the sink ever cracks, which we have a number of customers who break their sinks, whatever, you just loosen the ratchet strap, drop them out the bottom, set a new one in the cradle, and bring it back up.
Does it make it easier to actually install the sink too?
Way easier.
Why?
Because it supports it, and we don't like to support the sink off the granite. Sink supported off the cabinets that are sitting on the floor.
And then it gives it plenty of time for the glue to dry as well.
Yes, it's an insurance policy for the customers because I've seen other companies glue them up and they drop down, so we sell them to customers that need their sinks reattached.
There you go, another great innovative product from FastCap, and you can get bulk pricing if you buy 100 or more.